What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at XRP on this early Tuesday morning on the East Coast coinmarketcap.com. XRP is sitting in the number 4 spot. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and then XRP. XRP is also sitting at number 1 on the trending list. Still remains as number 1. We have number 1, XRP, CASP number 2, and then we have Pepe back on the list. In number 3, Fear and Greed Index for the crypto markets is a 57. Pretty much neutral. So what's interesting here, if this is the case, and I don't know this for sure, it appears that XRP is back on all of these exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Bitstamp, Coinbase Exchange, Kraken, Bitfinex. So that is interesting. Bitthumb, Bittrex, PancakeSwap, Bitflyer. I know that a lot of exchanges were going to, if not already, relisted XRP. Sitting at that 74 cent mark, guys, let's go check out the charts. If you want to buy XRP, I have an uphold link down in the video description. So we're going to jump into a few things here. I'm going to share a couple things on the chart, and I have a upper price target for XRP as well. So take a step back about 2 weeks or so. I spoke about this level, this 55 to 56 cent level, being major resistance for XRP as we started to basically approach the apex of this giant pattern that it's been in for a very long time. And I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so times, maybe a couple more. And I said, if XRP at one of these times can get above this and hold, I had an upper target of 68 to 69. It could be violent. It could happen in a very, very violent way to the upside, which means very strong, lots of buying power, breaking above that resistance. And sometimes you'll see that happen in both support and or resistance. If you take a step back here, you could see the price did have support here at the 55, 56, rallied up, rolled over. And then on this day right here, which is the 9th of May of 22, violently broke that 55 to 56, ended up, trading all the way down here to 28. The first impulse was down to like 33. So when you get breaks above major areas of either resistance and or support, it can be broken in a very, very violent way. The price can move big time, very, very fast. And if we take a look what happened about a week ago or so, I don't even remember. I think it was a Thursday. Let's see. Thursday the 13th, XRP finished the day up 73%. A violent breakout past 55, 56. Past all my targets up here, 60, 61, 63, 68, 69. Ultimately found resistance at my upper target here at 82, 485. And so far, that has been resistance ever since. This is a great example of when you get a very, very strong breakout past a major resistance level, which was 55, 56 cents. I mean, the price right here on this date, which was the 23rd of September, that was the top. Over here, once again, that was the top on the 29th. Took a long time, and then boom, got that big break. Keep that in mind in the future, when it comes to resistance, when it comes to support, and major, when it's tested many, many times. If we recount this, we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, basically 6 times, and then got that violent break past that level. XRP currently appears to be in a flag and pennant pattern here. Got the flagpole right there. And then we are in this pennant pattern here. And this is usually I talked about this in yesterday's video, a continuation pattern. So the trend is higher. So the continuation would be higher in price. We have a group of lower highs. Then we also have a group of, we have that one day where we had a higher high, but overall. And then we have a group of higher lows. So lower highs, higher lows, basically heading into the apex there, which is roughly, give or take, 76 cents or so. And the end date on that would be like the 22nd, perhaps the 23rd of July, if this pattern played out perfectly and got to the end. So if this pattern does play out perfectly, it would be a continuation pattern, and it should lead to a breakout much higher in price. So for this pattern, I have a target at 96,170. So 96 cents takes us above this high here, which was 94. It's probably conservative. It's probably as conservative as my 63 to 68 cent target, which was blown past, and ultimately the price traded all the way up to 94, but then did find resistance at my level there at 82. So we'll see. We'll see if that takes place. If we threw the fibs on this move here, swing high to swing low, we have the 1618 fib takes us up to $1.17. So 96 cents might be a little low, but that's the target I have based off that pattern, 96. So we'll have to see how this plays out. We're keeping our eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin started to break a little bit lower. It's kind of hanging out. So we'll have to see if XRP can hold its own. Right now, XRP is up on the day, although it is fading slightly. Target number 2 I have for this XRP chart, $1.09. 109. So if this pennant pattern does break out and we do break the high of Thursday, which should get us easily to our 96 cents, we should also be hitting right up in there around $1.09. So, hey, we're waiting for that dollar XRP. And if this pennant pattern plays out, we might see it. So that would be, we're at 74,437 at the moment. If we get up to our pennant pattern from where we're at now, that puts us up roughly about 28, 29%. If we get to my target number 2 up there, that would put us up $1.09. That would put us up about 47, 46% higher from where we're at now. And that would officially put XRP over a $1 price. Been waiting for this for a long time, and we could be closer than we have been in a very long time. So we'll have to see. Keeping in mind, we do have some major resistance at 82,485 as well. So there's a couple roadblocks in front of the price getting up there to $1.09 or above that dollar range. But if we see something like this take place, a very violent move higher, we could easily blow past those targets, just like we blew past the 55, 56, 61, 63, 63, 7, 40, 68, and as well as 69, although they have flipped into support, as you can see right here on the 14th of July, as well as the 15th. They were tested at the lows. So that's my thoughts, guys. Keep your eyes on the chart. In the future, when you're looking at charts, major resistance and major support end up being big breakout or breakdown areas, as well as we're watching Bitcoin. We're also watching this pennant pattern to see if it plays out like it should and plays out to the upside, because it is a continuation pattern and the trend is obviously higher right now. targets after resistance are 96 and then $1.09. Keeping in mind, we have a roadblock at 82 as well. So that is my thoughts on XRP. Right now, the 24th of July, I believe, would be the end of that pattern, which puts us out a couple more days, but nothing too crazy. I think we could see a little bit of resistance at that $1.09 area. You could see, and my other target's $1.21 up there. We got some previous trading in here, quite a bit of it actually. So between $1.09 and $1.21, we could see some resistance, maybe similar to what we saw up there. Not quite there, but at that 96, the 82 correlates with all of this area. So, but we'll see. Just like it broke past 55 and 56, very strong. It could easily break past the $1.09, $1.21 area, very strong. And that takes us up to basically this area. I mean, above that, my target's 212. So we'll have to see how this thing performs. That's my thoughts on XRP as of Tuesday, the 18th of July. Guys, all links are down in the video description. Thanks for joining us here on the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here. Share the video, turn on notifications, hit that thumbs up, whatever you got to do to get the word out there about XRP. All right, take care.